you my girl, and anything you want is yours.
Hi Barbs, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys, and I'm coming to you all with a hair tutorial. You guys, I absolutely was inspired by Rhonda White's wand curls, and I definitely wanted to do something that was a little bit similar. It's not exactly the same, but it's my own rendition of it. So I absolutely love this hair, you guys. This hair is from Wondess. I believe I got a 16-inch and 3 18-inch bundles. This is a 4x4 closure, but in this tutorial I'll just show you how to make this closure wig look very realistic. And to me, you don't need a full frontal for this. Like, you don't need it. It looks very natural the way it is, and you don't have to worry about, you know, doing all the extra with it. So I absolutely loved this hair, and I'm just like, I don't know if I really want to switch from it. I'm really feeling this color, and I'm really feeling these curls. But if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and keep on watching.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.